Good morning, friends, and this is my first actual episode on the iLogs. And this episode, we are actually going to cover what has been affecting the whole world in the last 6 months. And so I'm going to talk about the eyes and the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. So we know that this is caused by a virus. It's called the coronavirus, and the outbreak was in China in December 2019. So lots of patients have had various symptoms and signs. Some of them develop chest problems, so there's breathlessness. Those who are obese, overweight, and diabetic are more prone to get this. There is also documentation that there is a loss of smell and loss of taste. But how does it really affect the eyes? So this episode is entirely to do with the COVID-19, the coronavirus, and our eyes. You'll be surprised that in the eyes it causes conjunctivitis. Just for your information, the whistleblower in China was an ophthalmologist. His name was, I'll have to read it out, Li Wenliang. He was 33 years old. I'm using the word was. He actually, in his OPD in Wuhan, saw multiple patients coming with red eyes, and which is what we call conjunctivitis. And what happened was, he realized that he's seeing too many of them. And so he actually informed the government, and so he was called the whistleblower. Unfortunately, a young ophthalmologist's life, as we call our warriors, a doctor, was lost to the same disease. So I feel that he must have got a tremendous high viral overload, and that may be the reason why he lost his battle to this virus. So the next question is, how is this virus affecting our eyes? So patients who have got this new virus may come with just ocular, means eye, symptoms. So patients develop a pink eye. The front part of the eye, which has got a thin membrane, is called the conjunctiva. This gets infected by the virus. So it leads to a red eye or a pink eye. Patients have excessive watering, pricking, and continuous irritation as if some sand particle has gone inside the eye. A recent study in China, which was published by the New England Journal of Medicine, showed out of 1,099 patients, almost 0.8% showed conjunctival congestion. So they were infected with the COVID virus. So now comes the most important question. What do we do to prevent our eyes or our body getting infected by the virus? Most important is, we all have a tendency, we get up in the morning, our grandparents have told us, splash water in the eye and wash your eye. You cannot do that in India. It's nothing to do with the COVID, but please take this precaution because we are putting Indian tap water in the eye. You go to the United States, you actually can open the tap, drink that water, and you're still safe. You really can't do that in Mumbai. So please do not splash water in the eye. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, we have to protect our eyes, our nose, and our mouth. So how do we do this? Of course, keep washing your hands every 20 minutes properly with an alcohol solution which has antiseptic properties. You can use even Dettol soap. It is very well documented that the virus dies in a soap. 1 point. Second point, take-home message would be always wear a mask. So besides social distancing, wear a mask so that if someone by mistake sneezes or coughs around you, you're protecting your nose as well as your mouth. Remember, friends, that the virus can enter through the eye, can enter through the nose, or can enter through the mouth. So if you're wearing a mask, automatically this is protected. I would also recommend that one wears a face shield when you're walking on the road. If you want to be more cautious, you can wear a cap. Otherwise, a face shield, transparent glasses or goggles, and a mask covering your nose is going to give you adequate protection from this virus. If you do develop conjunctivitis, don't panic. Please go to your ophthalmologist. Make sure that you do your COVID test. There's a lot of resistance I've seen today. Patients say, no, I don't have anything. I don't want to get the test done. I understand the apprehension. But unfortunately, it'll be safer for you, your family members, your neighbors, your colleagues, that if you get the test done and if it's negative, it's good for you and everything is good. So if you do develop conjunctivitis, go to your eye doctor, and it's very, very simple treatment. It's eye drops and you should be fine very soon. So I wish all of you be safe, maintain your social distance, take the precautions that I've said, and your eyes should be well protected. I wish you all the best. Take care and be safe. And thank you once again for coming onto this channel. Please make sure you spread this word. This is entirely to spread awareness. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to ask us any question you want on the comments below. And make sure that the like button is also pressed. I thank you all once again for coming on the channel. Looking forward to the next Sunday for another episode on iLogs for you ever.